Merry Christmas to you and to your family. Merry Christmas, everyone. Have a merry and happy Christmas 2025 to you and to your family. Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat at sa lahat ng mga minamahal nating pamilya at mga kapatid. Malipayong Pasko kaninyo ug kanatong tanan. Nang hinaot nga magmalipayon kita sa Pasko ug sa umaabot nga tuig 2026. Have a hopeful and joyful New Year to you and to your family. Take care and keep safe, everyone, wherever you are in this planet Earth. Be safe, take care of your health, be happy with wherever you are right now. God is the reason for the season. Again, Merry Christmas. Thank you. May God bless us all. God be with us and God bless us all. Bye.